A lot of people are waking up right now and going, maybe I should do something different.
Well, the highly contagious Omicron variant and a rise in COVID cases overall are once again fueling quite a bit of anxiety and stress.
Yeah, and as the pandemic drags on, people are making major lifestyle changes to prioritize their mental health. For some, that means quitting their jobs. Emma Lockhart joins us live from the newsroom with more on this. Emma.
For many people, just the uncertainty of the pandemic continues to impact their mental health, but experts say focusing on what you can control in your life can really help. For some, that means pursuing new dreams and careers.
Each of us has a story we tell ourselves based on our life experiences.
Matthew Blades found his calling during the pandemic.
A lot of people are waking up right now and going, maybe I should do something different.
For the longtime Valley radio host, that meant quitting his job.
I kind of wanted to walk away from radio to try to pursue something a little different, a little better, more meaningful, if you will. And I finally just had the confidence to do it now.
This week, he launched a mental health podcast called Learn from People Who Lived It.
How is everybody doing?
Blades says the pandemic exposed a lot of unhealed trauma in his life. After going to a retreat and working on his own mental health, he decided to leave his industry after 27 years.
This is the time where people are starting to feel like, I'm asking bigger questions. Maybe I don't need this job. Maybe I do want to spend more time with my kids. Maybe it is time to try to crank out that new podcast. People should do it.
The trend of people quitting their jobs and changing career paths during the pandemic is now pegged the Great Resignation.
Taking a decision to, leave the job, quit the job, or do whatever, at the end of the day, it has to be the best decision for you. However, you want to do it logically.
For Blades, the decision wasn't easy, but one he does not regret.
The more stories we can put out there, the more people can relate, and then they feel like maybe I'm not alone. And there's so much healing that happens when you just don't feel like you're all alone on planet Earth.
And experts say if you are struggling with anxiety and depression, you should reach out for help. A 24-hour crisis line is available. We have that number on your screen. In the newsroom, Emma Lockhart for Arizona's Family.